What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon. They're coming at you guys with a brand new video. I kind of messed that up. But today we're installing some coilovers. Got Henry with me. He's going to be lending a hand. But we got some Fortunatos here. The 500 series. I believe this is generation 7. So, I mean, I believe I'm running 8K or 9K in the front, 8K in the rear. Could be wrong. So we're running 9K in the front, 8K in the rear, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. I know a couple people that run these, and they look pretty good. So we're gonna try it on. I already started to get it up. Took the wheel off already. The fronts are a little bit harder, but the rear should be easy peasy. Hopefully we can get this done. I want to say in about 3 hours. That's what I'm praying for. So I remember on the S side it took me 7 hours. So we're gonna try it. So once you get the car up, the wheels off, you want to start by taking the auto panel off because you're gonna have to do that, which kind of sucks. Okay, so we got the stock went out after about 2 hours, 3 hours maybe. It's a pain in the ass, but now we're gonna put the new one in. Hopefully it's pretty easy. I mean, it should be pretty easy. Hopefully. But yeah, Fortunato gang. Gang. So I got one of them done. Oh, we got one of them done. It's in, she's ready to go, bolted on. Should be good. Now we just gotta do the other side, which we're doing right now. This shit is tiring. It's definitely worse than that side. So we got done with the front. We're done with the fronts. Had to add camber because the tires are just so fat. I'm running 255/40 18s and they're just so fat. So we're gonna lower the fronts, see how it is. It is a little uneven because this side's a little bit lower than that side, but we're just gonna see how it looks right now first.
It's gotta go lower, right?
Yeah. Put it. Let's do that fast.
If you're not tucking,
you're not fucking. That's right. I gotta fix the camera a little bit later. So we got the fronts done. I'm gonna still adjust them because this side's too low, except for the tires is too big. But for now, we're gonna knock out the rears real quick. Should be pretty easy. Shouldn't be that pain. Just take off the wheel, take off like half the fender liner, take off the bolt down there. Should be easy. So let's just take this bad boy off. So we got the rears on. Pain in the ass, but we got it done. I put the stocks on because these aren't gonna fit, and I'm gonna adjust them tomorrow, so you'll get a little ending there. The sun's going down, so, and we're going to dinner tonight. So I just gotta finish this one up. Ready? Sheesh. Huh? The backside looks good on this side. I like that.
your backside looks good.
I'll look like them. Oh shit, I'm like sitting on it.
You almost got wrecked on that side.
Come on, boys. If you ain't tucking, you ain't fucking. You already know. Sheesh. Alright, tomorrow we adjust it and make everything even. But it looks good right now. Today is part 2. We just gotta pretty much adjust it. I mean, everything is pretty much in. People are surprised that I did this in a day, but I just pretty much want to make the other side as equal as this side, and then raise the rears a little bit higher. Just because I don't have camber arms back there, and I'm hitting it pretty bad. So just gotta pretty much just raise this side, and then raise the 2 rears, and then we should be all good. Most likely we'll need an alignment too, because I doubt anything is straight. Though it looks straight, it might not be straight. So all we gotta do is adjust it, and then we should be good. So I pretty much think I did it right. I've never adjusted coilovers, so I don't know. Normally I just slam it, but with these thick tires it's kind of hard. I just pretty much measured it from this ring to that ring. Sorry, you guys can't really see that. From that ring to that ring. If you want to focus up, please. From there to there is measured it. It's pretty much about 4, a little over 3/4 centimeters. Same on both sides. So hopefully that's pretty much even, and then it's enough to clear. I pretty much didn't touch this side. I just wanted to measure it, and then I had to make the other side bigger, but should be right. Now we gotta get to the rears, but first, before we do any of that, we have to take or put on the stupid under tray. Okay, so I got the wheels on, adjusted them, put the under tray back on. The under tray is a bitch if you're doing it by yourself, so use a jack. I'm out of breath, I'm kind of tired, it's hot, it's stupid hot. But anyways, we're gonna lower it, and it's a moment of truth now. For some reason this side is still lower than this side. I feel like I did it right though. Okay. Time and time, it's finally done. The rears look fucking good. I want to go a little bit lower in the rears, but when I get camber arms, then I'll do that. And then I would definitely do want to go lower in the front. I'm gonna get smaller tires and camber arms. That's probably what's gonna be next. That's gonna help a lot with lowering the car a little bit. I might go with 35 series instead of a 40. But I mean, it's like perfect. Like it clears here just a little bit. I mean, I could probably get them rolled. Same thing on this side. Like a little bit right here where it might rub a tad bit, and then this side clears. So came out good. I like it. I definitely do have a lot of room to go lower, so if I can go lower, I definitely will. You guys already know me. The SI was low. The Type-R has got to be low. But it looks good. So that's pretty much the end of it. Put the coils on. I love them. There is a lot of camber in the front that I'm going to fix. We got to get smaller tires, and then we got to get an alignment. So those are 3 things that we got to do before we get the car all dialed in. I'm glad that it's on. I'm glad that it's over with, because it was kind of a headache. I did drive around for a little bit. It's going to settle within the next few days. I am rubbing, so we'll have to fix that. But like I said, we're getting camber arms for the rears and smaller tires and everything. So should be a lot easier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I haven't been posting a lot. I just kind of been taking a vacation, kind of like a little break from everything, but we're back in full effect. We got the coils on, Fortunatos, love them. They feel good. Like I drove them there, and I drove them like for a little bit, and they feel good. No complaints about them just yet, but it was a nightmare. That car's a nightmare. Type-R, I was told that Type-Rs are hard, and let me tell you what, they weren't lying. So I'm glad we got it out of the way. I'm glad we got it installed. Now we get to relax and focus on another thing. I think the next thing I want to get is an exhaust. Like I said, I still want the graded DDR. Well, we'll see. I don't know. Let me know what you guys' suggestions are. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about the coilovers that I may have missed, or that you guys have any questions about, comment them down below and I'll answer them as best as I can. But yeah, I mean, everything is going smooth, going well. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow Henry too, because Henry also helped me out a lot. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know we took a little break, but we're back with the install, guys. We're back. I feel good. I feel great after installing those. Feels good to be in a lowered car. Forgot how I felt to ride in one. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Yeah, peace.